Flanked by the Bayo Onanuga, Special Advisor to the President on Information and Strategy, Sunday Dare, Special Advisor on Public Communications and Orientation, the President has directed that all minors be released on the and also reunited with their families anywhere they are in the country.
Thank you so much. Welcome to Politics Today. I'm your body secret. Concerning Nnamdi Kanu, there are questions the Attorney General and Minister for Justice and the Nigerian Judiciary must answer. Not too long ago, the media confronted the Attorney General and said the issues concerning Sunday Igboho had been closed. There is nothing against him. He is no longer facing prosecution at all. What about Nnamdi Kanu? Fagbemi said he is not the one holding Nnamdi Kanu, that the two cases are not the same, that is the law that is holding Nnamdi Kanu.
Thing about Kanu and Sowore, they are not the same. Up till now, if I see Sowore, I don't know him. If I see Nnamdi Kanu, I don't know him. But I called for the files of the two people. They are not the same. When I felt, well, this one should go, I had no hesitation. It didn't give me any difficulty. But I have a difficulty in respect of the other one. And he's been held under the rules and laws of the nation. And I know that it's now in court. Let's wait for the decision of the court.
We never knew that an individual or group of people can be facing prosecution for treason. Then the president will give executive order, release them, and in seconds, the court will sit and carry out the order of the president. We never knew it's possible.
High Court in Abuja has struck out the suit against 119 protesters charged over the nationwide #EndBadGovernance protest. The judge ordered their immediate release from prison. The trial judge, Justice Obiora Egwatu, struck out the suit following an application by the counsel to the Attorney General of the Federation, Mohammed Abubakar, to take over and discontinue the suit. The Attorney General of the Federation, Lateef Fagbemi, who was represented by the Director of Public Prosecution of the Federation, Mohammed Abubakar.
Well, lo and behold, the judiciary have been carrying themselves as an institution that have lost every sense of shame. As an institution that is just so hopeless. You started prosecution of Nnamdi Kanu from the Federal High Court. Nnamdi Kanu's case got to appeal court. The appeal court said release him. Federal government appealed against that decision of the appeal court. Unanimous decision of a panel of 3 justices. Federal government appealed against it. So the case went to Supreme Court. Lo and behold, a compromised institution said this same man, the trial should resume again at the High Court. We called on the government. So many Nigerians have been crying out. Elder statesmen saying, release this man for the peace and security of the people of Southeast. Release this man for the good of the people of Southeast. Release this man for the unity of Nigeria. Release this man for the sake of justice, equity, and good conscience. A government of men who are hardened, who hate their fellow man, who hate Nigeria, who hate unity, who hate progress, refuse to release Nnamdi Kanu. Lo and behold, over 100 youths from the north protesting against hunger. And Tinubu said this government said they were protesting for regime change. They want to overthrow the government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. They were arrested and charged for treason. The North roared in anger. Tinubu was caught up. He was shivering. All of a sudden, he ordered that these people should be released. Remember, case filed before the court. Court have already heard about that case. They have not been granted bail. Those who charge them to court on the basis of the fact that they have violated the law according to the police, according to the federal agency, that they have violated the law. One man in Asorok gave order, whether born out of fear or whatever, stop that case. All of a sudden, Attorney General, everybody was running helter-skelter. The judiciary all catch cold. Quickly, the court sat. Everything ended.
Over now to Kano State, where officials of the state government, led by the spokesman to the governor, Mr. Sanusi Baturi, have welcomed the decision of the Federal High Court, which struck out the charges against some #EndBadGovernance protesters arrested from Kano. The team was at the court in Abuja to show solidarity with the teenagers who are being moved to the presidential villa, where they will be officially handed over to the Kano State Governor, Mr. Abba Yusuf.
What happened to the law? Were they not charged to court according to the provisions of the law? You cannot see what's going on. You cannot see why they call Nigeria is just seen as a banana republic. You cannot see why there is no rule of law. You cannot see why things are not working out in Nigeria. And people are asking, you were ordering the release of these people charged for treason. Why did you not at the same time order the release of Nnamdi Kanu, also charged for treason? You have been there year after year, and you have not been able to prove any case against him. From High Court to Appeal Court to Supreme Court, why was he not released? And we'll sing, though tribe and tongue may differ, and brotherhood will stand. That's what we are saying. We are compelled to sing as national anthem. Hypocrites will do the other, will do otherwise. Actions of hypocrites will not strengthen our brotherhood. Actions of hypocrites will speak volume that there is hatred for a particular people group. Actions of hypocrites. Is there any justification for the prosecution of Nnamdi Kanu? When year after year, you have not been able to prove any case against him. What are you doing at the High Court again, which you have not done all these years? What are you doing again at the High Court? So, the president can give order, and a group of people charged for treason will be released. Then why has he not given order for Nnamdi Kanu to be released? For the unity, for the peace and progress of the people of Southeast. For the security of the people of Southeast. Why is it difficult for Tinubu to give order? So that all the charges, meaningless charges, good for nothing charges that have not been proved year after year, they will be struck out. Why is it difficult? That is the question. You see, it will go round. Injustice anyway, as we have been told, is a threat to justice everywhere. We will continue to speak up to men without ears. One day, Nigerians will rise up and take back their country. Surely, we shall be free. If you are of God and you believe in truth and justice, share this video and subscribe to this channel. God bless you.